Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the DVD filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Here, remember this image on the second row, this one, tap on it. Okay, and this is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for DVD. On the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen or tap on open app. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this DVD filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.